I see that even a much better sign as well too. So
I can't turn up on but can't turn up on the left.
What?
You fly up so.
That me I say so, like you want to fight Karachi.
Yeah.
Jump up to the job. Yeah, like you want to fight me, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, get up and jump.
The way you fly up Scanna, I can say, oh, better than before.
Yeah.
So I have $30,000 fee from someone on the outside watching, yeah, coming from Love, from the USA. So this is $30,000 from someone from the outside that's watching.
Thank you from someone outside. Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, coming from Love. So count it, 30,000.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Come take some sun.
Look at brother.
Scanna.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to wrap up the coal.
Fun get me off slide.
Eh?
Fun get me off slide.
You like it up?
The fun?
Yeah, same
I
thing.
lie down and wrap up and say boy sleep and come to me.
Face are full of fun.
Flesh a grow up. The flesh a grow up.
Yeah. Fuck off.
Brown a light a come from my face.
Yeah.
Bright.
Yeah.
Take a face and
Yeah.
Round and the rest is
Nah,
Scanna.
sad up man. Me say go and glad up.
You got the food to eat up.
Yeah, man,
Scan them.
I'm more alive.
More alive. So yes, cool.
No, the fun kind of get me slide so me don't sleep.
Okay, you just wait.
I sleep about it man.
Liquor, turn on that.
Right, man, time me so.
Oh. So you're feeling now? Because when I ask, we can see.
Brilliant, you know.
You can see it's brilliant.
Yeah, man, whole for brilliant same feeling.
Yeah. But I like how you wrap up still, you know? You know, when last you go outside?
Good way, I'm not too good, you know.
Oh.
I go down a culture yard one couple weeks ago.
So you need to go back again for
me
the
go
time?
down there. I'm not going nowhere after that.
You need to come outside, man, at least out of the front of the yard, so. You know, liquor we can.
But I can't move around how you'd expect me to move around.
So who always come and help him to bring him out?
Two man and liquor.
Oh, so when you don't want to come out tomorrow? I know you can come and help take you out, you know. If you want to come out.
And nobody not there put me in.
No, man, we see him.
We are going to come and
do it tomorrow.
We see him when I put it
They're going to park on 3rd Street tomorrow.
Yeah. If I go push it down on 3rd Street to make it so I go and see him, you know? Yeah, can you have a cheer? How that sound?
That sound brilliant.
Enjoy make that happen tomorrow, because I know tomorrow is a nice day, so you can out. To the kind of overcast still. You know, tomorrow.
Time looks like rain. Okay.
Yeah, we get slightly jewelry as well today, so tomorrow, good. So tomorrow now we'll make it out. Definitely we'll come for you tomorrow. Yeah?
come for you?
Afternoon time.
Oh, now 1 o'clock.
Yeah. So we'll definitely come for you and get some sunlight. And the sun never shine today. Yeah. And the sun not shine today, so I'll just be overcast and look at jewelry. And so tomorrow's kind of we'll come for you. Yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, the sunlight. I'm like how your face full out and everything, you know? Better than before.
You know, mine, I get happy up the same way, you know.
Your mind I get happy. Alright, I see that you got a much better sign as well too. So
I can't turn up, you know, but I can't turn up on the left.
What?
you fly up so.
That me I say so, like you want to fight Karachi.
Yeah.
Jump up to the job. Fight more fight. Yeah, like you want to fight me, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, get up and down.
The way you fly up Scanna, I can say, what?
Yeah.
Better than before.
That's what you know.
Yeah.
It's a single side of young man, stand up strong.
But I put it stiff so we can bend going. I see them.
Yeah. See? It's a good look, Scanna, I'm not lie. That way just do a while ago, the way you fly up me and tell you like a ninja.
Like
So
you want to fight me.
I rode me around a while ago, you know. Tell me if you wonder, what go on, wheels kind of fly up a while ago, like somebody pull you up off of the bed, quick. Yeah, man.
That's what a man's skin at the top.
Take off all the top because the man I get thick. It's kind of like you lift weights.
Little 6-pack.
I'll see
Blow with food hard,
Yeah.
skin up with the food.
Nah, play with the food. So I'm still with Ensure. Oh, you have around there? So okay. Yeah.
One for blow, we have done it.
Alright.
Near me and reach.
Yeah, you're on the reach. I have some donation for you.
I'm going to drop water on it because
Sweet.
you don't know.
Yeah.
It's full of no sugar too much.
Oh.
I think man, I feel a smile up and
So, Scanna.
yes, I feel look like sunlight I come over the mountain. Come on.
Right.
Yeah.
Sun a smile. So, Scanna. And some donation for you.
Yeah, man.
And the first donation are from Carl and Denny's from the US. Yeah, Carl and Denny's from the US. $5,000. So liquor count that. So it's $5,000 from Carl and Denny's.
Yeah, man. Carl and Denny's. Give thanks. You know. And more joy.
Yeah. And you also have Sandra from the UK. $3,000. Count this liquor. Sandra from the UK.
Thanks, Sandra from the UK.
No, I just Sandra.
Sandra?
Yeah, Sandra from the UK.
Sandra from the UK.
Yes, Scanna. And you also have Unknown, also from the UK. 4,000.
Unknown?
Yeah, from the UK. $4,000. Liquor. Oh no.
Unknown.
Unknown.
Thanks, unknown.
From the UK. Yes, Scanna. So that's unknown from the UK. And you also have, this is who now? Heavenly Father. Yeah, this is a long name. Let me read out the name here. Because the person must tell exactly how they write it. So them say Heavenly Father who watches over him. So this is from Heavenly Father who watches over you, Scanna. From the US. Yeah. Heavenly Father who watches over you. So this is $12,000 from Heavenly Father. Let me look at it.
Heavenly Father.
Yeah. Who watches over you.
You have Father Earth and Father Space.
Thanks, Heavenly Father who watching over Scanna.
Yeah. And you also have Lisa from the UK again. $4,000. You use Scanna. So pass that to little Scanna. Count it. That's from Lisa.
Lisa?
Yeah, from the UK. $4,000.
Lisa.
Yeah.
Thanks, Lisa.
But thanks.
From the UK.
The people is real.
Yeah. Very real.
People real to the life team, no?
Yeah. Real to the life team, because people are talk about the name that we have it as well, the dream team, the life team, you know, a real team. So
I'm more governing now, give them more strength.
yeah, righteous, yeah. So we give thanks. So liquor, this is for you as well, from Lisa, from the UK, $4,000 for the good deed they've been doing.
The pocket money.
Yeah. So
What should I be?
Lisa.
From the UK. Thanks, Lisa from the UK.
Yeah.
All I thanks them.
All of the thanks them. I will also have another one now for liquor as well too. From E. From E from the US. She wanna known as E.
All the best is.
Thanks, E from the US.
Yeah. So that's E from the US. So blessings and give thanks to all the donors who reach out for Scanna and
Keep it
also,
real up there.
yeah, every time. And also for liquor for the good work that she been doing, because what she doing, she never have to be doing it. So we give thanks to her as well too.
Yeah, man, she better out than work, so.
Yeah.
So I go on to the work, you know.
And sure.
To the world, I tell you that.
To the world.
I want to listen up. And thanks again every time.
Yeah. We can't stop thank them, you know, because the donors them can see.
People have to work hard in our snow there, you know, and basically, you know.
True.
I give her thanks to more time, every time.
And we can also big up Snagapus as well too, for the herbal, and Nina that support you on that journey as well too. So
She had tell me so she wants me.
Nina.
Yeah.
Alright then, so Nina
I'm
wants
like, I kind of have a look at the cast on it, she not see me good.
No,
She don't want to come to me in real life.
okay. She don't want only see you on the TV.
Yeah.
She want to see you in real life, you know.
She told me she want to eyeball me out.
Yeah.
You eyeball me out good in real life.
In real life.
She said me there.
Yeah man, because in real life it's looking great. Yeah, greater than before.
Yeah.
Because everything there's a before and there's a after, you know. So when you see what you was before and now after how far you reach,
Yeah, man.
we really have to give thanks to the donors and to the Almighty, you know, for what been happening so
Yeah, to
far.
God and whatsoever, give thanks.
Yeah, forever. And we can't stop be thankful. And liquor, yeah, we really have to give thanks for what you've been doing. I understand. So yes, you say people have goodness in them. Yeah. So yes, you say you have goodness in you. Goodness in everybody.
Goodness of flow.
So as people have to just show it.
Do what you have to do, you know?
And just do what you have to do, just kind of say. So it's kind of goodie. We say last time at 99 and a piece.
You saw him jump up a while ago for me. So when time I come back,
I run him down.
run me down, you know.
Yeah.
So Scanna,
Yeah.
I forgot to put on my track shoes.
Ready for run.
Yeah.
Scanna so when you reach 100 I run him man though. So how much you reach now?
Yes.
Soon get quickly, man.
How much?
I mean, somebody else.
So how much you reach now?
99 and peace.
See where? And pieces, not pieces, yes. Piece. So when you reach pieces now, a
I'm
different
going
thing.
up in our strength, man.
Yes, it's a great look. We really give thanks. So let's go on with the faith same way as we always do.
Yeah, man, I'll keep it real, you know.
And keep it real same way. Everybody a talk about you, you know.
Yeah,
That's what we even know. Everyone.
Why am I going to read my? You want to hear them? What's going on? I watch the program. Look for it.
Yeah, everybody a talk about your man Scanna, man. I'm sure you not get a chance to watch it. So you take the thing people right around the world are watch it, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody you go anywhere you go, people talk about you. There's an answer as well too for you. Yeah, because where you're coming from and now everything will happen.
Go on straight.
Yeah. So here's the next example of what we've been doing. You understand the donors them been doing and the Almighty been doing. So we have to give thanks.
That's still real,
Yeah. So that's why we'll continue. And the mindset as well to where you have is great. Yes, you know, we really like that.
Man, go on, man.
Yeah. So as I say, until then, Scanna,
Yeah.
you know you always see my face.
Until when?
Until when?
Tomorrow.
And tomorrow we'll come for you. We'll bring you on the road. Get you some sunlight. The sun will shine today, but tomorrow, you know the sun will shine. Liquor,
Yo.
continue the good work, yeah? Yeah. How size the way, Scanna?
Sure.
Okay. See the phone. Go on, son. Really, Bob? Sleeping again, Willie Bob. You look fresh.
Because I was 2 minutes ago.
Oh, you go up on the
West Avenue.
West Avenue?
Yeah.
So I come catch at the right time then.
Yeah, well, I go look at race house.
Oh, okay. Yeah, film thing then. You look cool still. Don't you, baby? Man, look.
Our dreams, baby.
Yeah, and she see baby.
You see me?
Yeah, Willie Bob feels so cool, you know, so fresh, you know. Yeah. Last time Willie Bob said, well, I never have nothing to smile about. No, never a lot to smile about. I lie? See it there. And the people, them, the donors, them, the viewers, them say them like how you look more happy now. And you can see it in your face, so it's sure. You know, so everybody's really proud. You see me here, they realize you're well respected in the area as well, too, you know. And that's a great thing, man, you know. You have to big them up every time. So you can tell them, say, big up on yourself, all donors. You see me?
Yeah, we thank you here, and big up every time. Here, sir.
Yeah, man. Big up your friend Yankee.
Yankee.
Yeah.
Ali.
Yeah.
No, it's Angie. Yeah.
Yeah. Up on the road, so we give them donation and here do we have before we get too late here. So we have $4,000 from Sandra from the UK. So count that for me.
Thank you.
Yeah. So that's Sandra from the UK. And you also have let me see what this one said now. This said someone on the outside watching, you know? Yeah, someone on the outside watching, coming from love. So we have $30,000 fee from someone on the outside watching, yeah? Coming from love, from the USA. So this is $30,000 from someone from the outside that's watching.
Thank you from someone outside. Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, coming from love. So count it, 30,000. Right? Yeah, so give thanks. And you also have Faith from the UK, $8,000 from Faith from the UK, Faith Blessings.
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah, so count it, we should see. Take it. Yeah. They also have Gaga and Tedlin from Connecticut. Gaga and Tedlin, $5,000. Gaga and Tedlin. Yeah?
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And you also have Marsha and Maya from UK with Peace and Love. $3,000 from Marsha and Maya.
The Marsha and Maya, thank you very much. Like those.
Yeah, Peace and Love. And they also have $20,000 from the McDaniels family from the US. $20,000 from the McDaniels family from the US. So count that.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So that's from the McDaniels family.
Yes, McDaniels, thank you very much.
Yeah, so we give thanks to all the donors them.
So man, thank you very much. You will only keep a good spirit and everything that go with it.
Yeah. So I must say the donors them reach out. These money you know is towards the materials. You understand? So we have to thank them, but we can't thank them enough. Because as soon as we finish, we work with them now. Your work won't be long. So we're going to put you like in at the same time we're going to do Dana place as well too. So you know, so we're going to do the place soon as we finish up this as well too. Isn't it? So we're going to have a new look and a new liberty. You understand? And as we say, never see is coming. So you have to give thanks to the Almighty and make sure you always stay positive. You understand? And just keep all the head up same way. Because you never know what's the blessing coming from. So you have to make sure so you always give thanks to the Almighty and for the remember the people that do the good for you. Yeah man, so I took God will give the glory. Yeah? Yeah man, so what me I do, I don't really recommend for the prayers. As you know I say, if I do the right thing and make sure so at least you're in a better condition than how you was before. Yes, let's go on with the faith same way. And just go and keep it up, yeah? So until then, you know, you're not stop seeing my face. You see me? So just keep the smile bright same way. And always just talk to the people and big them up and say, yo, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, thanks for what you do for me, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, you know, gratitude is a must. So big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah man, see, yeah man, big up your wife man, yeah man.
And Yankee.
Yeah, man.
And you have Dean Ellis.
Pedal too, my boy.
And Pedal. Pedal leg are watching. And you have Dean as well too.
Yeah, man.
Dean Ellis as well too. You know, you have Christopher.
Yeah, man. Now we got Pedal and Christopher, yeah.
You have the singing wizard, you know.
We got my bad video name Dean.
Dean.
Yeah, 500.
Yeah, you know, Yankee and Pedal. And all of them are lovers, you know.
So the good work I do, is it?
Yeah. So the good work I put in always. So we have to give thanks to the donors them who reach out every time. Yeah. So
that's a big up to all of the donors them, is it? We always compare my visit. You see me I say?
Yeah.
We don't bring the meal, we bring a donation team. So each one teach one, so we have to do the right thing in the community and upliftment the thing, you see?
Yeah.
So it as you were saying, it has expanded now.
Yeah.
You see? Can get bigger than we. So all of the donors them, Willie Bobs I say give thanks to the Most High. You see me I say, and me on the food basket never empty. You see? Yankee and the whole family, church and everybody. We support the thing.
All the donors.
All of the donors. Name them whole heap on name for card.
Too much name for card.
Say whole heap on name for card. Love Base Station. Everybody. Roosevelt. Everybody. You know it. You see me I say Willie Bobs I say again, love goes out to Uno. You see it?
Every time.
Each one. And them man grow me. Likewise Yankee. You see me I say them man grow me. You see, so we have to look out for them on a set speed.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Alright then, so give thanks, yeah? What all pay? You say you allow it to stuck to? How you learn that one, they just leave it man, it kind of drop. Oh, scare bear. See that stuff. You see my show up in talent. I'll be a show off now, so now hold it. Experience. Alright, do it again, make them see it. Do it again. Hold it. I'll be. Two on left and right. Wax on, wax off. Yeah. And Joe said, no, Mr. Skills there, no, Mr. Trader. No. Need it in the cabinet. Yeah man, Joe is a man of work. Put in the work, doesn't bother. Yeah man. We're here today, never put in the work and not watch face. And let's do the most.
Watch face, the work are done.
Yeah.
You have to make the people live our dream, their dream, you know.
Yeah.
We know our dream and the dream team will come true. Bless and respect.
I well, I give you some donation. One lady said one donation for her. She said she like Joe smile, but even though no smile now. You see me I say? Yeah, so you soon know later.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much. You know what I mean?
Yeah, look up in the
Yeah, man, just love him smile, but he not smile enough. You know it go already.
Blessed and respect to the donors. Thank you, and who don't come on board yet? Door is open, you know.
Wide
Welcome,
open.
everyone. We don't shoot away no one, everyone. Because we all have something to contribute.
Yeah, of course.
Respect.
Video. Smash your way.
Flooring up and running now, so all we need next is tile. Flooring. Next thing I'm tiling tile, so you know we're gonna need the support for Natisha on the tile. Tile for the room and tile for the bathroom. One more smile. Yeah, you have to give some more smile. If you go wider. Give them a wide one, Natisha. Alright, give them a wide one. Weird one, that's all. He go weird on the ear. I wanna go weird on the corner. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, Jenna.
And Zaka Zo.
Yeah, man, we're there, man. I want my love, man. You see, we're there, man. Blessed love to the world.
So you have on the carrot today?
You see? There. So we're reaching the kitchen and I wow chef go and we'll advise.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see.
So a new style of cooking today because the wow chef have on the 36 carrots.
Yeah. No, I'm looking at 38 to go 30. You know, straight nice and peas there.
Yeah.
Straight nice and peas there, some stew chicken, you know. Yeah, man, straight, you know.
Yeah.
So I wait for put on the
slice fish on the side right there, you know.
Alright then.
Yeah, man, some slice fish.
That's it, them. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, some Natisha.
Take up my Natisha.
You see?
Yeah, man. You can come on near a car, you know.
Yeah.
The only thing I know, car, you see?
Yeah. Our journey getting closer to our end, you know.
She said to come closer.
Yeah, man, see me. Whoa.
Yeah, whoa.
Yeah, man, look, the good look, you know.
I know the chain shine bright. Brighter.
Good look, man, you know.
Yeah, it's a good look, man.
Right side of me, you know.
Yeah, of course.
You know, if it got me in the future, still
Yeah.
Whoa, chef.
Whoa, chef, you know.
You hear that?
Yeah, cook up the spice then.
Yeah, man.
Sit here, you know, twice, no way, you know.
Never once.
Toronto. Left for Canada, you know.
Love beer.
Love beer.
Those
Lower station, man.
Yeah, man, cause like I love the
So only station.
So love beer, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
All I love beer, you know.
Every time.
Every this jacket, I love beer, you know. Love them, you know.
Yeah. So not fish. There, man. We have some donation for you as well. And as I can see, the house is a beauty.
Oh.
And it not finished yet.
Oh.
So imagine when it finished. Yeah. It's a beautiful look. Yeah. It's gonna be a beautiful look. So you have to give thanks to the donors them. So you know the next step them what we're gonna need now, we're soon need the tile and paint and thing, you know. Get in there.
Time for everything.
Yeah, man, so we can't thank the donor them enough.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah.
Can't stop people now. Can't reward them. We just hold on to Father God.
Yeah, man, straight.
Yeah, man.
Big up the donors.
Every time.
Big up
Every time.
Straight, you know.
Big up IT.
Every time.
Big up Ricardo.
Every time.
Big up the brownie.
Every time.
Big up
All the
all the
time.
donors and them send the tool them do the work then.
Straight, you know. Yeah, man. All donors.
Everybody. All of the donors them. Big up on yourself.
Big up
Yeah.
on yourself.
Yeah.
All our donors.
Yeah, of course. And them
Big
are,
up Father God.
and them are continue donate, you know, they not stop.
Straight.
And there's no stopping, you know, because
Yeah,
this program is only getting bigger and better
Straight.
each day we go along, isn't it? Because the work are continue. So it's more than merry. And we have to give thanks. You know, so the door is wide open for all the donors them. More than welcome to come on board. Is that bad? Shall I hold it back? Yeah, man, shall I hold it, man?
No trouble.
Yeah, man, let it out. I do them ask feet and I say, yeah, man, should let it out, man, you know?
But stop the trouble.
Yeah, let it out. So that fish I have 6,500 from Happy, from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Yeah, boy, yeah. That's from Happy, 6,500 from Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Thanks for that apple from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Big up yourself. May your basket never be empty. Big up your family. One more time. Big up.
And you also have a donation from Gaga and Tedlin from Connecticut, USA, $5,000. Gaga and Tedlin.
Big up yourself, Gaga and Tedlin. May your basket never be empty. My Father God always make a basket overflow. Big up yourself.
Alright. And you also have another donation from the Barker family from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. $6,500 from the Barker family.
Fort Lauderdale, Miami.
Thanks to
The Barker family. From Fort Lauderdale.
From Fort Lauderdale. May your basket never be empty. May God continue to bless you on your journey.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself again, do nice. Can't stop bigging up enough. Can't reward you, know.
Yeah.
Father God have it out the phone. Big up Dream Team.
Always
Big
one
up Dream
team.
Team.
One team every time. You know?
Big up Father God.
Every time.
Big up IT.
Every time.
Because they just go and hold it.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Just.
And big up Father God.
Always. I always continue to do them for continue to support Natisha on our journey same way. Because we are see her right through and we're not stopping. So we reach far away now. So you know, so we still gonna need tileages, you know, tile it and then face base and good things. So we say put in an order for the sofa on a car, right? Alright. So you know, so we always want to support from that for Natisha. So we always ask the donors them for continue to reach out for Natisha. So you know we can complete this mission. So we can at least know say yo, our smile is a bit brighter than what we did expect. You know, and the Almighty. Yeah, you see, weight to put on.
Put on weight, man.
In a real life, man. Yeah, so.
There's a change, you know, doing a
big change.
You get me? So help her change some more, you know?
Yeah.
You see, because she have love, you know?
Yeah.
You see, but they make she hide her love, because the body never that show her.
I don't lie.
You see, so she see it now. So she put on a little pounds.
Yeah, she put on a lot of pounds now. We have to give thanks to the donors so them and to the Almighty.
And the Most High, you get
and
me?
the Most High for what them done so far for Natisha. And I must say, we can't thank them enough. So we have to leave that thanks to the Almighty for deal with it for we, because boy, it's too much. You see me? The unexpected blessings is too much. I say, we don't know where this thing will carry, you know. So we have to just continue to do it. That's why the man always say, yo, this thing not stop here, so. And if it does stop, it does stop already from we start with Gin. And it not stop. I will keep on and get support for the other rest of people them and still not stop. It only get more and better. So we give thanks. Everything will grow. So big up the donors and big up all the viewers them. Big up all the subscribers. You know. Everything counts. You see me? I will give thanks. I will can't stop thanking them. So I'm big up on myself. I'm just tap on the chest, man, and say, yeah, man, I've got my purpose, you know. I want to help out Natisha, a friend in need, you know, and our kids them. So it's a friend indeed. I have a lot more journey and a lot more roads to cover. Whole heap more. So just pray for we, donors and viewers, for the health and strength, you know, and just cover us in the prayers. Because it's always needed in the going out and the coming in. Every time. Dream team.
One team, you know?
Every time. Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa, whoa.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.